Like I said about politics, our politicians want to throw our own basketballs, which we all know now. And I watched one video online yesterday, and I saw how hoodlums, vandalize, shoot bullets in a former Edo State governor, that is John Oyegun residence. And I saw the bullets, on everywhere. And ADC, they are accusing APC that they are the one that caused the problem. No facts, no evidence, but I will not accuse Bushishen. But I sat down. Yes, it's possible because our politicians, and that's why the man saw we need to trust our politicians. They can do and undo, that overshadow opposition. Politics so dirty. So if you believe in them, you are deceiving yourself. To me, I no believe pé àwọn ADC ń parọ́. Me just believe pé APC ò lè ṣe. Because àwọn méjì jọ ń gbá politics ni. Now, nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ká try láti bring out ni pé I saw one story on AIT tí máa play fún wa. Do you guys know that there is controversy between inside the party? Kò ní wọ́n ti divide ní APC ní Edo State tí wọ́n ń jà because of position. Wọ́n ti ń rí lo wọ́n ti ń jà ní ADC. And they did not mention this if there is controversy within them. In the same house, in front of John Oyegun house, wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ wàhálà. Wọ́n dey bring their house. Àwọn drugs dé, àwọn thugs dé, wọ́n destroy gbogbo bẹ̀yẹn. Wàá mọ ẹni tẹ́lẹ̀ tọ́ka sí pé kí ló fà á, which means ìjà ti ṣẹlẹ̀ before this incident. Let's watch this one together.
What is expected to be a routine party meeting quickly turns dramatic at the Benin residence of an ADC national leader and former governor of Edo State, John Oyegun. Some party leaders claim the meeting is scheduled at the residence, but on arrival, they are shown a list of invited members and their names are reportedly missing. The situation sparks outrage as aggrieved stalwarts gather at the entrance of the compound, insisting that they are founding and statutory members of the party in Edo State. Former Chief Whip of the Senate, Roland Owie, accuses the party's national leader of allegedly sidelining loyal members while engaging non-members.
As a matter of fact, the central meeting was to be called 4 or 5 times. He will stop it. He will postpone it. As we are talking, what I'm talking to you today, see, we have been everywhere in Edo State. I mean, in Edo State where we are, raising members of the party. Ask John Oyegun, how many people he has attracted to this party? Nothing. The local government people come, I don't know. I'm calling and dealing with those who have been helping this party to grow. So the way it is, we are telling the national leadership of the party, enough is enough of John Oyegun. This how was national chairman of APC. They removed him with ease. We are saying enough is enough. You can't disrespect those who are building the party.
When contacted on phone at the time of the incident, Oyegun explains that he is in a leadership meeting and will speak on the matter later.
Bí àwọn ruling party bí wọ́n ṣe ní talks tí wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ní àwọn opposition náà ní talks tí wọ́n. This is what happened before the incident. So kí wá ní assurance pé kò ń ṣe àwọn tó ń bá yín jà ni wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn. I am not saying they are the one. Kí ni assurance pé kò ń ṣe àwọn ló ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn. Why are you accusing the ruling party that they are the one that caused the problem? They are the one that sent the thugs to come and kill. This is something else. We need to understand that these people are playing game. This is game of politics, no doubt about it. This is what happened before the incident. So you want to believe anything to battery online, you need to be very careful. Because opposition, what they will be doing is they will be disseminating information that will make you to hate the ruling party. That's just it. And they are doing the right thing. It's their job. Èyí tó yẹ kó criticize in the right way, they will do. Èyí tó yẹ kó criticize in the right way, they will just be trying their possible best to make sure they remove them from that government. That's what they will be doing. And this is their work. Because mo wẹ́yàn kan tó ṣe fídíò kan tó ní àwọn Tinubu, àwọn gbá, àwọn kò. Now this, do you know that this is the kind of thing that happened before the incident? Bó ṣe máa ń bára wọn fà wàhálà nìyẹn. And this is Edo State. Some people are accusing John Oyegun that he's sidelining them. He's not calling them to do some stuff. And they have right in that party, which is the ADC. Now, ADC tó ti wọ́n lókè lókè, ẹ ti split, ẹ ti ń jà. Ìjà ti dé. So to me, I think they're supposed to invite Nigerian police to do the thorough investigation. Let them do thorough investigation. Let them investigate the matter. So when they now investigate the matter, if they now say, oh, these people is from APC camp, okay, yes, or is within you parties, is within you people, fine. Coming out to accuse APC, they want to kill you, they want to kill Peter Obi. See, Peter Obi is not a threat to President Tinubu. Just take it or leave it. You can't keep comparing Peter Obi. See, what happened in 2023, it can never happen in 2027. Because there is a lot of propaganda, false information disseminated out. They disseminate false information just because they are trying their possible to package Peter Obi. And to me, I did not fall in love with Peter Obi from the beginning because I didn't see what he did in Anambra State. Nothing. The only thing I just don't want to support anybody is because you can't trust them. You can't trust them. You can't trust politicians. See what is going on now. They forced the Inspector General of Police to resign. They put Yoruba again. Nepotism. And Frank Uba is there. This is a smart Nigerian police officer. Because he's an Igbo man, it's difficult for them. Watching the Dizu. And Dizu is a genius to Frank Uba. So, brushing back politics one year. Are you going to blame Tinubu? Yes. Is he doing what is right? No, he's not doing what is right. But he's trying his possible to save himself. Because he believes that he did not trust another tribe, which is wrong. But I will not blame him. This is what Awusas has been doing for long. But I believe that is nepotism. So it's obvious that eventually, if the Igbo now emerge as the president and they are doing the same thing, Yoruba should just silent, because we see what Tinubu is doing now. And that's what I said. You don't need to come out and support any one of them. They are all politicians. They know what they are doing. That is what I bring out this story on AIT. We can see it now that there's an issue between two of them within the party. There's issue within the party before the incident, and that is the problem happened in front of John Oyegun's house, and the thug attacked the people in front of John Oyegun's house. So what are we now saying? So politics, you have to be very careful about any information you hear. I will say much than this. My name is Lekuchi Oyemi. Bye for now.